Is the 1776 restoration movement worth going to DC? What do you think? Good morning, everybody. This is the Robert Escobar Show for Friday, July 22nd. I'm making these videos because I think the system is broken. I think we need to use the internet and social media to inform and organize each other to create solutions. My question for today is the 1776 restoration movement worth going to DC? Are they trying to get people to come out? If they were, wouldn't they be asking people, how can we get you to come out here? Wouldn't they be asking people, do you need anything? Are there any resources that you guys need to make it out this way? But is that what they're doing? Aren't they just asking for donations and being paid to protest? So I should, give up my week vacation, go out there, protest for a week, make some money, and then come back? Is that worth it? Maybe. Okay. How much money do you guys think that I would make if I went to DC and sat on a lawn, live streamed, told people I was fighting for their freedom, but, all I really did was just walk around holding a flag, not really working towards that, any real, attainable goal? Okay, so if you can't answer any questions, if you can't debate anybody, if you can't let anyone interview you, then how do you expect people to take this movement seriously? How do you expect people to say, you know what, I am gonna, give up my vacation, I'm gonna go out there, protest for a week, just to raise awareness about restoring the Constitution from 1776 that didn't exist because there was no Constitution. Okay, so this movement doesn't make sense, all right? And really what it is a scam to steal money from the elderly, okay? Because that's the only people that are donating to this. And every day I see on their streams, myself, someone who it clicks in their head, holy shit, I'm retired, I'm on a fixed income, and I've been donating to you guys, and you guys haven't done shit. And you know what happens to that person? They get blocked or banned. So, if I'm wrong, explain to me how I'm wrong, how this is a real movement. Someone, debate me, let me interview you, but it seems like Santa or David or whatever he wants to be called is more worried about protecting child, molesters, than answering questions and making his movement, into a religious cult. So I don't know, how long this can go on, but it's unintentionally the most hilarious thing I've ever seen. This is literally like what not to do in a protest. Okay, guys? And I just want to know, have they convinced anyone to go out there? They're always saying there's like 500, 200 trucks on the way. They're always on the way for some reason. They're never there. I don't know how far these trucks are coming from. It seems they're coming from other countries, maybe. They're on ships. They're getting there. I don't know. But if the 1776 restoration movement is worth going to DC, can you please explain to me how and why? Someone, let me know. Have a great day.